Hello, welcome to Gift Wrapping by Elaine. Today I want to show you how to decorate a rectangular present. This is mine here. Yours might not be that long, this is exceptionally long, but it's the same principle. I've already wrapped the present, and if you're a bit rusty on that you could go back to my basic wrap video. So having wrapped our present, you then need to cut a strip of matching paper. Now my paper is just a little bit narrower than the width of the gift, okay? And I've cut the paper just over halfway. The problem is you're going to punch a hole in this, and if your paper is too long you might have trouble punching your hole. So round about halfway I would suggest. Get your paper, and mine's come off a roll so it's curling a little bit, weight it down, and you are going to pleat this paper from one end to the other. Now it doesn't matter how wide your pleats are, the narrower you can do them the better, but the important thing is you try and get them all the same width. If you have fat ones and then thin ones, it's not going to look that good when it's finished. So pleat your paper the full length. So I've pleated the length of paper and I've punched a hole in the middle. This is what I was saying before. If you have a lot of paper you might struggle, you know, to punch a hole, so just be careful. I've now got some curling ribbon, which I'm just threading through the holes before I open it all out, and I'm just going to anchor the curling ribbon onto the paper because I don't want it slipping out. And then we roll our sellotape. You've seen me do this many times, and just put it on, it's sticking to the table, on the top of the fold, like this. Roll it over. You can use double-sided sellotape if you want to. So this is now going to position at the top of your gift, like so. And this is the fun bit. You can now pull your pleating down your gift. Now depending on how long your gift is and how long your piece of paper was before you pleated, it will come shorter or further down the gift. This is the fun part. You can play about. Cut the ribbon off. Because you've got this paper anchored at the top and the bottom, that isn't going to go anywhere, so you don't need to worry about that. And then just to finish it off, I'm going to stick a bow on to coordinate with my curling ribbon. But you know, if you want to stick some cones on or Christmas baubles, you know, I'm just giving you some ideas. You can adapt it to suit what you want. But I think you get a very attractive wrapping there.